Welcome to another exciting episode of our LoopFlow plugin. Today, we'll learn how to create this bike dirt animation. Okay, now let's get started. First, create a new composition and name it LoopFlow. Next, bring your bike image into the composition and apply the LoopFlow effect. Now analyze the image and create a natural flow for the dust. We'll begin by targeting the dust near the tires. Create two masks. The area between these masks will animate seamlessly. Go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 1 to it. Select Mask 2 and assign Mask 2 to it. Now check the preview. You'll see the animation looping seamlessly within the masked area. If needed, adjust the masks for a more natural flow. Next, we need to create more masks and define additional flow directions. Create two more masks. Duplicate the LoopFlow plugin. Go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 3 to it. Go to Mask 2 and assign Mask 4 to it. Check the animation and adjust the masks to cover more areas if needed. Now, let's add more depth. Create two more masks, Mask 5 and Mask 6. Duplicate the LoopFlow plugin again. Assign Mask 5 to Mask 1 and Mask 6 to Mask 2. Check the animation and refine the masks as needed. We'll continue by creating even more masks. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect once again. For Mask 1, select Mask 7. For Mask 2, select Mask 8. Check the animation. So far, it's looking good. To make the animation more natural, analyze the image again to see which areas still need movement. Observe the dust direction and create additional masks. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect and assign the new masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Check the preview. Now let's add more depth by targeting this corner. Create two more masks. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect and assign them to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Everything is looking great. If needed, create additional masks for the dust or refine the existing ones. While we could animate this image with fewer masks, it wouldn't look as natural. Right now, the dust animation looks good, but if you analyze the image closely, you'll notice it still doesn't look entirely natural. The tire isn't moving. Since the dust is caused by the tire's movement, we need to animate the tires as well. Create a mask around the front tire, shaping it accordingly. Now, create a second mask inside the first one. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect and assign the masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. The area between these masks will loop seamlessly. Check the animation and adjust the masks as needed. Now let's do the same for the remaining part of the front tire. Create masks around the rest of the tire. Repeat the previous steps. Adjust the animation until it looks natural. Now, let's animate the back tire. First, create an outer mask and adjust it to match the tire's shape. Then, create an inner mask inside it. Go to Effects and Controls and duplicate the LoopFlow effect. Assign Mask 23 to Mask 1 and Mask 24 to Mask 2. Since the dust near the back tire also needs movement, create a couple of masks for it and repeat the steps. That's it, guys. Our bike dust animation is ready. That looks amazing. Thank you for watching and for your support. In future videos, we'll explore more creative possibilities with different examples, so stay tuned for more.